A birthday party for your little one can be a lot of fun. The children can have a wonderful time on their special day. They will also have a chance to enjoy the company of their friends. If you are planning for a child birthday party, then there are a lot of things that you need to know about. Number 1. Number of guests. You should be specific about the number of guests you are expecting. This will help the event planner to decide on a venue and caterers. Number 2. Venue and date. The date and venue you choose will affect the cost of the party, so you should choose them carefully. Number 3. Theme. Once you've decided on the venue and date, your next step is to decide on a theme for the party. You can choose any theme, but make sure you've informed your guests about it. Number 4. Games. You can choose something which has been always a favorite of your child, like colorball game or musical game or dancing games. Number 5. Food and drinks. The food and drinks for a children's birthday party should be suitable for kids. Make sure that there are enough food trays so that each child gets to eat at least one serving of fruits or desserts if possible. That's 5 tips for planning your child's birthday party. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.